I received $24 for an old snow blower. Wow. Guys, summers have arrived, and if you have a lot of old, unused scrap lying around your garage, such as an old snow blower, tools, metals, anything that you're not using, it's time to get rid of it and clean your house. Back in India, we relied on the vast networks of raddiwalas and local shops who every week scavenged like vultures around our neighborhood, which allowed us to sell our stuff just by staying home and make some good extra money. But here in Canada and US, there is no such service. Yes, there are some guys that will come to your door and collect this stuff from the curbside before the garbage days, but they will not compensate you. Instead, they take this stuff to the local scrap dealers and sell it for profit. Some companies also charge you for the service. So I took matters in my own hand. Instead, giving the stuff away, I packed it and drove to the nearest scrap dealer, which you can search on Google Map. Now this guy gave me 14 cents per pound, and the total came out to be $24, which was a good income. For more tips, follow me and don't forget to share this.
Gill guides you.